This is tutorial 3, where we will make a cutting of an arc. Now, this is a chuck and workpiece, and we want to make an arc. Now again, if you make an arc on this side, it will come out on this side. I just don't draw it, and this is our final goal. Now, in order to do this, we need to know a few things. There is a start of the arc and end of the arc, and we should know these. I don't need to write to you the coordinates. This point, the start point is x0 and z60, and the end point is x10 and z50, because we take 10 from here and 10 from here from the z, and we get a quarter arc. Now the software needs to know the center of the arc. Now the center of the arc point is represented by two characters, which is I and K, because we cannot write go to x something and z something, and the center of arc again x and z. So I represents the center of arc in x, and K represents the center of arc in z. So far, so good. Let's start writing the G code. New file G90 M3 S 1500 G0 X15 Z65. This is initial program start, and then we go to X0 and Z61. Let's see what this means. This here and this here. Verify and verify. We are now here, very close to the start position of the arc, and now we say G1 Z exactly 60 with F very slow, 20 millimeters per minute, and if I verify it, now right at the start of the arc, it will go like this. And now we go to the new G code, which is again, it's a circular cutting cycle, and it will go like this. G72, and we want to go to X10 and Z50, and then Q.5, 0.5 is the depth of cut, and we have to say F100 is the feed rate, and then I say I for the middle of arc in X is 0, and K for the middle of arc in Z is 50. And then G, I'll make a comment, G72 is circular cutting cycle, and X and Z you know, and Q you know, and F you know. The only thing that needs to be done is I is center of arc in X, and copy this, and K, good. And then we say G80 for end of cycle. Verify this. This is what we wanted. If you make it slower, you can see it is cutting a half circle or a quarter circle in one plane. Now, if I don't write, for example, the I or the K at the exact same center of arc. If I change this I to 0.01, 0.01, 1/10 of a millimeter, 1/100th of a millimeter, and it will still do it. But the deviation that the machine cannot do is if I change this to 0.1, I will get an error which says G72 arc must be contained in a single quadrant, which means in 1/4 of an arc, either this way or this way. So if I miss by 1/10 of a millimeter, the machine could not do it. So I go back to to I0, and then the program can run. To finish the program, we go G0, X, 15, Z, 65, and 30. Let's verify for the final time. Here we go. This is what we wanted. The drawing is here or here, and this is what we got.